One of the things that gives you a good feeling and makes you feel comfortable after doing it is the noise of the neck joints. The reason for this noise is the bursting of bubbles that form inside the joint. Up to this point, there's no danger threatening you, but if these movements are done too violently, even if performed by a specialist, it can cause severe damage to the neck vessels. And the formation of a clot inside these vessels can lead to a situation where, a few seconds later, this clot travels from the neck to the brain, and unfortunately the patient can suffer a stroke and sometimes even death.